money like fuck you, UPS deliver. Good morning team Ismash, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So at least this time whilst I'm driving, me have on my seatbelt. I don't like to do vlogging and driving. So for all who missed site number 2, I know it's been a while, long overdue, but as me say, the roof has done the other thing, and I don't really have nothing to do with the guys that want to do the roof. So we are going back up there. I've had a word that the roof is so we are go up there, go witness it for ourselves, to see what really are going, come here are leaking or going on and something. We're gonna have a look and just even on YouTube, me I watch a video recently, somebody has said you're not supposed to use any. You can build without a contractor. They will recommend you to build without a contractor, but the guys then put the wall in the wrong place, the guys then put the house in the wrong place, and this and this, and but basically eliminates what is in front of it. So that's an old conundrum in itself. For today's vlog, I'm gonna try and make today day be the vlog itself. So I'm gonna try to say I can film everything in a today's date, because it's gonna end up being a 2-site thing. So I'm gonna stop by another site. Them in close proximity, so it just makes sense. I'm gonna just film that as well, and you guys are gonna appreciate the extra content. I'm gonna know it is not as far as site number 2, therefore whoever missed something from earlier can now catch up. And yeah, so the big man on site is Shelly. I think me introduced you to Shelly already. Yeah man, I govern everything. So yeah, team Ismash, if you haven't liked or subscribed already, you have the opportunity to do so right now, as you only live once, and you should turn up right now, so subscribe. Good morning again guys, we are now on site. As I said, this site, you guys have never seen this site before. The guys ended up here a while ago and we go out to buy food, and them leave this site and gone on the other side. Sun is really hot, so bear with me as I think I can't stay out there for too long for really showing how I'm going. So we are going to have a look on what is being constructed and what is going to be constructed and things like that. But firstly, let me show you this. This is an example of some wicked delivery. That is danger. So this is a foundation, or strip foundation. Yeah man, about 10 times they use me since up here. This is how we're going to build something like that, which is supposed to come on one level and meet the main unit up here. So they plan to carry this 3 stories, and yeah, for some strange reason they want to start the first story using 6-inch as per drawing, and we got a 6-inch, but 6-inch can do it, but we just increase the girth. We use 5/8 steels, so we increase a girth from the 1/2-inch. So hopefully all is well. It was approved, so it approved as a 2-story, and them saying in the future they want to do a 3-story. I say, what should I use? Bigger blocks and cut the trenches them a little bit bigger. However, this is how it is right now. This dig out a while, like summer it, and apparently the team that was here first wasn't able to manage the work, or then get afraid and catch them coward, and yeah, we there here now. So as I said, I don't really plan to film this site, but I'm gonna try get 1 and 2 footage up here, so, and just yeah, have something to entertain you guys. Yeah, so this, hopefully this is a 3-month project, and you know, we have holidays and anything there where you have to put in as little contingencies. However, we want this to be 3 months in total. So as you can see, we have all I mat them. By next vlog, all of them mat here in. The sun's just really hot. And column. Yep, cage. As you can see, 15. Got steel, everything on site, and yeah. So I'm just hoping you guys aren't out there making some silly mistakes. Hope of this channel you guys gain wisdom, and it's always important to like plan and organize before the project start. You know, rendezvous with your team. I want to kind of discuss and make plans and anything. Now, you can't just run in. And then if you can, everybody on the team to understand what them responsibilities, them goal, and if you have an idea what is the big picture. I understand that when I go legit see confusion within the building itself. And you don't want that. So meetings are very important, and having everybody on target and understanding their roles is very, very, very pertinent to have a successful project. In the meantime, we are going to take a stroll down to building number 2 and really show you what I'm going. I still not look on the roof as yet, so me and I go witness it the first time, and we're going to really see what everybody talk about. Homeowners, you depend on your own when you want to do your own thing. It is our responsibility as persons in charge of the project team to get competent workers, skillful workers and things like that. Our responsibilities. We work with many of them as new as me is to this industry compared to other people. I work with probably at least one contractor, as in building contractor, per parish in Jamaica before, and we kind of have an idea how to get information and who do this and who do that, and everybody recommend them bridging. You probably do something good over here, so but do something bad over here, so like, come on, our responsibilities. So if you want to take it up on yourself, it becomes yours, and you pay for the experience. As I say, mistakes are something we cost and you learn from it, but you should always have wisdom. So this is it, guys, the finished product from the outside. Don't mind the spaces, them are gonna be caulked, but normally I would have at least put some primer or the oil paint on the boards before I put them up. So when then they up them with a white already, now they have to go paint them whilst they are up, which is a little bit more difficult, if not a lot more difficult. So these guys didn't learn this part of the business, is that you have to clean up. Yeah, guys, what are your thoughts? It is said that out here's a leak. So I am going to insert a clip from a previous vlog. Guys, we're at site number 1, and as you can see, no progress since the last time. We are not responsible for the roof part. We never, my guys, not the roof. As you guys can see, I have nothing to do with this. That's supposed to turn in. So I gave you the chance to have a look at the building firsthand. Now it's my turn to look at the roof. People. I preach on YouTube too many times for you guys to be making the same mistakes over and over again. Now it's like you have good persons, good workmen out there, but need supervision at end of the day. Like they can do good work, but brother, sometimes they need just a reminder, a little encouragement, a little motivation. Come on, guys. This roof work is one of the worst I've ever seen or been a part of. Like, we did a lot of roofs down in Trelawney, and me never yet get an email or a call or notification saying that a roof has been leaking or we have a problem or something like that. We did use Alpha Sure at the time, but at the end of the day, you have to go over there and monitor them. Guys, be warned. This is graphic, this is terrible, this no make no sense. Let's have a look. We are on the inside of the unit. I don't know if you guys know anything about roof, but for those who know, the trained eyes will probably see a lot of the mistakes already. I'm gonna show you one of the most crucial one them. So them long screws that we are look on. We're gonna look all over the building and see where you find them and see if it's a common thing or it's just a dear common mistake. So basically in here, so all you see are those screws. You see them? Right there, right there, right there, right there. I mean, I want to probably see screws in a roofs before. But just look. Again. And then again. It's a dash on. It's Ismash. It's probably just a common thing. We enter this room. Again. Again. By now it is fair to say it is a common thing. Again. Again, this is in the living. Look, everywhere you see common rafters as well as the ridge. And again. To break this down to you guys, only enough here to that. Look here again. You notice another common thing is that a lot is located right against all of them screws there, meaning it is there for a purpose, right? The lot not really make up the frame, but if you hold down the sheet on top, brother, what you're looking at is that they miss every single lot. Like, they only catch like 5% of the screws were supposed to hold the zinc to the frame itself. So they miss all of them right through the entire house. I don't know they do that, but apparently it is possible. Another key thing where Hurricane Ivan taught everybody in Jamaica to use hurricane strap. No hurricane strap is on this unit.
Hurricane Gilbert tore through their homes. Schoolhouses were crushed. It was a frightening experience.
Tell me. None whatsoever, guys. None whatsoever. The ridges them were run down the ridges them were run down from the apex down to where the eave is, or the eave down there, or the fascias, them nah nothing for from the cap to the one screw supposed to run from the cap to the that ridge, none is there. This is a catastrophe, guys. Sometimes people want to find somebody a little bit more reasonable and run a risk, run a chance sometimes, but at the end of the day, please get yourself an independent person to go monitor your work if you don't know to monitor it yourself. It is very important and it's costly. There's no reverse to this. As I said, this thing is linear. This is not an agile approach project. Therefore, the step by step. So when you cover certain step, it's hard for you to go back. I don't know how to help these homeowners when they come onto the roof. Them are gonna put up the ceiling on the inside with sheetrock, and hopefully that hides the piece up there, so, and them learn from this. I don't know if it help them. In the meantime, as you can see, set up like a box screen here, so, and sort this out, and yeah, coming along. They are all the vibes with beer, isn't it? Kind of done still, but I just want to show you before I end the vlog here, the rendering on the wall here. Let me know what I think. I want to think about consistency. Now I'm working a lot of mason. A one man out of all of them. I can carry parts an impeccable job. The rate's gone up on that demand. And I did a unit here. Him no play. Nothing no burn up. Nothing. No defects. I can't leave that to a man up on the job set. I'm not have to worry. I tell you the truth. I pay every dollars for him. Top dollars. Right true, brother. There's nothing to go through. On that side here as well. Thing clean, brother. Like, comment and share. Team Ismash, I am out.